can't say good morning because it's nearly 2 o'clock.
Good afternoon. We just stopped to have breakfast. I mean, we ate a little earlier. I don't think it was 2.
No, it was 1.
We had to do laundry today. So we thought, hey, let's stop at a park. We'll make some food, set out a clothesline, hang up what's left to dry.
Yeah.
But as we were eating, we were talking about what we like and things we don't like about the truck camper. We could just say everything's so awesome, but that would not be truthful, right?
Right. I mean, it mostly is. It is way better than trying to be in a tent, in my opinion. Others might disagree. But yeah, there are definitely some things that are more challenging in this than if you were in a camper like we had been for so many years.
Yeah, I really designed it for its best usage with one person, but I wanted the capability so that if she felt like going truck camping with me, that we could do it. So it's doable, and we've been on the road now for nearly 2 weeks. Yeah, I'd say one of the biggest challenges with 2 people in a truck bed that's this size without a tall topper on it is the nightly routine. Getting the beds ready, trying to keep the mosquitoes out. And I suppose we could just put bug spray on with DEET and forget it.
But if you've showered, then you don't want to have bug spray all over you either.
Right. That goes with the whole, we probably glamp more than we camp. I think we just got used to being in the trailers all those years. You just like those creature comforts. So we thought that we would show you and be very transparent with you to middle-aged people trying to get the bed ready at night in a small camper with everything enclosed to try to keep those nasty little mosquitoes out.
For your entertainment.
For your visual entertainment, right?
It's probably going to be quite entertaining, especially since my back doesn't even feel 100% today, so then my flexibility is not going to be the best.
Exactly. People driving by are probably going to think we're crazy. In some ways, they're right. So without further ado, making the bed up in a truck camper.
Baby, I've been watching you across the room. Giving off some serious energy. I can only hope you're feeling me.
I like the way you're moving. The other boys don't have a clue.
Just say the word, then I'll move how you want me to.
And now my mind is racing, imagining what you and I could do. I just wanna do it with you.
No one to stop me, no reason not to be the one who makes my move. Baby, come over, move a little bit closer, let's get right down to so what you wanna do. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance with you.
You got me spinning out of my mind.
I wanna spin with you till the end of time, girl. Another drink, let's energize before we go again. Keep on going till the night's end. No one to stop us from dropping it high, plus they push speedy on. Signed, sealed, and delivered. You feel my body shivered when they play that song. Don't make me wait too long. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance with you. wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance with you. With you.
Well, there you have it. I hope you got a laugh at our expense.
It's just one of the things that is a little bit more challenging when you're camping in the truck than if you had a full-size camper.
Definitely easier though than if you had a tent.
Yes.
One advantage that I can think of off the top of my head is if you had an emergency situation where you had to get out quick, you literally just, I mean, if it's a real bad emergency and you can't get outside of the vehicle, you climb through the window, like I've shown you in one of the other videos that I can do it, and you get out of there. Versus if you had a tent and all your stuff outside, what are you doing? You're just leaving all your stuff out there, and hopefully you can make it to your car. So I do like that aspect of truck camping, definitely over tent camping.
And it's not ideal in the rain because you have to get out in the morning or whatever if you can't crawl through the window. But I think in the rain it would still be better than a tent too, because then you don't have all your stuff wet.
Yeah.
To try to pack up.
Yeah, packing wet gear. And as far as tearing down the bed, it's just basically the reverse order, except we do it in the daytime. And you don't have to worry about all those dang little mosquitoes trying to bite you.
Right.
We usually just shake out our sheets and everything and pack it all up. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this. We just wanted to give you a little bit of insight into what it really is like, instead of just putting on...
Sanitized version.
Yeah,
of...
sanitized version. I like that. All right, well, until the next adventure, Godspeed.